What it do? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my hair. I had actually blasted out a question and I was like, if I revamp my YouTube channel, what do y'all want to see? And hair was probably one of the top responses. And so today I just got done working out. I had cardio day at the gym, and so I'm gonna shower and actually get ready to go to heels dancing class. I'm in Woman of Gold, and it's basically just an empowerment group on campus that does great things. And so basically what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna show you run through my hair routine post shower after I've washed it and stuff, and just show you guys how I maintain my hair. So yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and keep on watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm awesome, about to load some more content, and so I'm so excited, you guys. And so yes, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, great. So hey y'all, this is what I wore. How cute. Okay, now I'm taking my hair down. So what I'm about to do, actually I use this Aussie Moisture Miracle Moist. This is what I wash my hair with in the shower when I condition. So I'm pulling my hair up. I usually like to pull my hair up into 3 sections, like a bottom, a middle, and then a top section. So right here I'm going to divide it into the bottom section and just kind of section that off. Alright, and then I'm going to use my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I love this product, y'all. One thing I love about Cantu is that it's so inexpensive, and you can actually, every time I buy Cantu, I know for a fact my results and what I'm gonna get. And yeah, it's not the most expensive, which is also kind of nice. It's a good price point for curly hair people, and I feel if it works, use it, because girl, curly hair stuff be costing way too much money for my liking. If we're just being honest, Carol's Daughters and stuff, and thing is, I try so many things and they never work, and so Cantu's great because I know for a fact that I can use it, and every time I get the same results that look great. Alright, so now you see me kind of moving through the middle section part of my hair. As far as how much I use, honestly, I just kind of eyeball it. I'm like, okay, this looks like it needs more, it needs less, because you can kind of tell. And then, sorry y'all, I kind of cut myself off here, but yeah, and so I'm going to go ahead and rub it through the front of my head and just kind of get all of that, nice, and because you want to make sure it's at the root and it's all the way to the end. You'll be able to tell because it looks kind of frizzy. So in places where it looks frizzy, I would suggest just taking some more conditioner. And I'll even show y'all because I touch it up at the end. So you see I just kind of run through it, run it from, top to bottom, and make sure, because I don't want it to be white. So what I do is I just rub it in until it's completely rubbed in. And so see, my curls are kind of frizzy on the ends over there, so I'm kind of touching it up while also doing the top, which is the last section I got. And yeah, but yes, I'm not done. And now you're going to take your water bottle, and I'm going to spray my hair because I had it in a microfiber towel, so it was kind of still dry in some places. And so just to kind of get that leave-in conditioner to blend in better, I just went ahead and got my hair a little more wet and rubbed it in some more, just so my hair would hold the product better. And then when it dried, it would style a lot better. So yes, you see me just spraying my hair in problem sections, and just touching my hair up. Oh shit. And so yeah, this is it. This is my everyday routine. And then here are some cute shots, because your girl's cute or whatever. And yeah, so that's my curly hair routine.